Hello everyone, how you guys doing? I have a couple experiments to show you today. The first is going to take a couple days for us to see the results, but I hope maybe we'll even start to see something by the time we're done with today's episode of Teacher Sally. So what you need for this one is a jar. I'm going to fix the camera so you guys can see what's going on here. It's a jar, and let's see, there, jar and an egg and some vinegar. And we're going to pour some vinegar in the jar. Pour, just enough to cover an egg. And then carefully put the egg in. Here we go. I'm using a spoon because I'm worried if I drop it in there, it's just going to crack right open. Now the vinegar is going to start having a reaction with the eggshell. And we'll look at it in a minute and see if we can see anything. So we'll put that aside. We'll come back to it. Help me remember. Okay, our second experiment, which you could do at home. Do you have ice at your house and water at your house and a measuring cup? Then you could probably do this. So I have ice water there. I have an empty measuring cup here, and I've got my tea kettle here that I just boiled hot water in. And I'm going to put the hot water in there. You can see all that steam coming off of it. Now I've put a cloth under here because I'm worried that I might spill. So the other thing we need is a bottle. And if you have a big 2-liter bottle, like a big soda bottle, you can use that and use bigger containers, but I don't have one of those, so I'm trying this experiment with this little one. And we're going to put a balloon on it. I have, strangely enough, orange balloons, black balloons, and yellow balloons. Don't know why. I thought orange would be fun. It's kind of a happy cover. Second color in the rainbow song. All right, so I get that on there. So it's sort of in the middle if I go like that. So there it is, balloon on a bottle. It gets on there pretty good. Let's stick it in the cold water and see what happens. Oh my gosh, did you see that it's getting a little bit smaller there? That's kind of interesting. All right, let's stick it in the hot water and see what happens. Wow, it inflated. All right, let's stick it back in the cold water. It's still inflated. Oh, it's deflating. Sort of crinkling up. There's nothing in here except air. Look how foggy it is in there though. Wow. All right, let's stick it in the hot water. Oh my gosh, it inflated again. Wonder why that's happening. Why do you think it's happening? All right, pretty cool. Do you know that today is Wacky Wednesday? And so we need a knock-knock joke. Are you ready for some knock-knock jokes? I got my book. Let's see what we have. Knock, knock. Making. Making who? I'm making my own key to open this door. Knock, knock. Rudy. It's Rudy, never say please or thank you. It's Rudy, never, it's rude to never say please or thank you. That's true. That's for sure true. Not a very good knock, knock joke though. Okay, what's the next one? Knock, knock. Theodore. The door is locked, so please let me in. Knock, knock. Anita. Anita, hear another knock, knock joke. I need to hear another knock, knock joke. Okay, last one. Knock, knock. Olive. Since Olive here, I think you should let me in. Since I'll live here, like since I live here. Since I'll live here, I think you should let me in. Oh my gosh, those are so silly. I'm gonna try and get a riddle book, and we'll do some riddles next week if it comes. All right, let's look at our egg before we say goodbye. Do you see all the bubbles on there? Isn't that interesting? The bubbles from the vinegar are all getting on that egg. Now, I just want to show you this one more thing. Usually I just leave it in there and let things happen. But I noticed this the other day, because I sometimes have to try these at home. If I start going, I don't want to put it over my computer while I do this. If I start going like this, it feels, can you see that? That the shell is starting to flake off. The vinegar is eating away at the shell, and you're going to be so surprised with what we end up with. All right, my friends, good to see you. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.